Hello, welcome to this Python tutorial. My name is Kingsley Enthron, and today I'm going to walk you guys through operators in Python. What are operators, types of operators, and how operators work in Python. I'm going to try my best to make this tutorial as simple as possible. If you have any question or comments, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's dive into it. What are operators? Operators are special symbols that perform operations on variables and value. In mathematics, we have different types of operator, like the addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, and several others. So in programming, we have different types of operators. For example, we have print 5 plus 6 to give us 11. The addition sign here is an example of Python operator. We have several operators like the arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. Under the special operators, we have identity operator and membership operator. In this Python tutorial, we're going to cover all of these operators, from the arithmetic operator down to the membership operator. So get your coffee and let's enjoy the ride. What are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations. For example, we have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus or remainder operator, and power operator. For the addition operator, they are used to add two values of variables. They are also used for concatenation in Python. Let's illustrate this. Let's say we have a variable of num1 equal to 5, num2 equal to 6, and another variable of total equal to num1 plus num2. Print total. Now, this is an example of adding two variables. You have the variable of num1 equal to 5, num2 equal to 6, total, which is the addition of num1 and num2. So we are printing out total to our console. Let's run our Python code. We have a value of 11 on our console. This is an example of adding two variables together. So we have another example of print 5 plus 7. So let's run our Python code. We have 12. An example of adding two values together. Now, the addition operator are also used for concatenation in Python. Not just Python, but every other programming language. As an example, we have first name equal to Kingsley, surname equal to Enthron. Print first name plus surname. So let's run our Python code. As you can see, we have Kingsley and Enthron on our console. See, we have Kingsley and Enthron joined together. So the reason for this is because there's no space between our quotation mark and our string. To give a space between our quotation mark and our string, we need to add a space in between. And let's run our Python code. We have Kingsley and Enthron. So this is an example of arithmetic or addition operator. Subtractions are used to subtract one value of variable from another value of variable. As an example, let's say we have num1 equal to 10, num2 equal to 5. Subtract as a variable equal to num1 minus num2. So print subtract. Let's run this. We have 5 as our value. Now 10 minus 5 will give us 5 as our value. We also have a value of print 15 minus 10. Let's run this. So we have 5 as our value. So this is an example of subtraction in Python. They are used for subtracting one value or variable from another value or variable. Multiplication are used for multiplying variables and value together. For example, we have num1 equal to 10, num2 equal to 5. Print num1 multiply by num2. Now, the asterisk is the multiplication sign in Python. So let's run our Python code. We have a value of 50. So this 50 is the result of multiplying 10 and 5 together. Now you can also do it directly with values as print 5 multiply by 5. So let's also run this. We have 25. So this is an example of multiplication operator in Python. They are used for multiplying two values, not just two values, but values and variable together. Division operator are used for dividing values and variable. The forward slash is a symbol of division in Python. As an example, let's say we have x equal to 10 and y equal to 5. So let's call it div equal to x forward slash, that is divide by y. So print div. Let's run this. We have 2.0, that is 2. This is an example of float in Python. So let's run it on values. So let's say we have a equal to 16 and b equal to 2. Print a divide by b. Another example, we have print 20 divide by 10. So let's run this. So we have a equal to 16 and b equal to 2. So print a divided by 2, which is 8, that is 8.0. Then you have print 20 divided by 10, which is 2, that is 2.0. So these values or these results are in float. So you can actually go ahead and convert or change our value from float to integer. And to do that, we have int and int. So let's also run this. So see we have 8, that is 16 divided by 2, which is 8, as an integer. Then 20 divided by 10, which is 2, as an integer. We converted the value from float to integer by using the int method in Python. So this is an example of division in Python. They are used for dividing values and variables together. The float division operator in Python are used for dividing and returning the integer parts of the results. As an example, we have x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. Then z equal to x normal division y. So print z. So let's run this. We have 2.5 as our result. Now let's run for the float division part of this. So let's say a equal to 5 and b equal to 2. Then c equal to 5 float division 2. So print c. Let's run this. Now we have 2 as our result. Now the 2 is the float division part of this. 5 divided by 2 give us 2.5. So the 2 is the integer part, while the 5 is the remainder part. So the floor division returns only the integer part of the result, which is 2. Let's run other examples to understand this better. We have E equal to 15, F equal to 2, then T equal to E floor division F, then print T. So let's run this. We have 7 as our result. Now the division part of this is print 15 divided by 2. Let's run this. As you can see, we have 7 as our floor division result and 7.5 as our normal division result. So the floor division operator is used for dividing and returning the integer parts of the result, not the remainder parts. So go to the next part, which is the modulus operator that returns the remainder part, not the division part of the result. The modulus or remainder operator in Python divides and returns the remainder parts of the result. For example, let's say we have 5 balls as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 2 balls. This will give us a value of 2 remainder 1. So the floor division operator divides this 5 and 2, then returns the remainder parts, not the integer parts. Now let's run this and see. Let's say we have x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. Then z equal to x modulus y. Print z. The percentage is the symbol for modulus in Python. So we have 5 and 2, that is 5 modulus 2. Now let's run this and see our results. When we run this, we have 1 as our result. That is the remainder of 5 divided by 2, which is 1. So this is an example of modulus or remainder operator in Python. They actually return the remainder part of the result, not the integer part, while the floor division returns the integer parts, not the remainder parts. So when we start building projects, we're going to see how this affects our projects. If you build a project, let's say a calculator, and want to return just the integer parts, we use the floor division. And if we want to return the remainder part, we use the modulus operator. The power operator, the symbol of double asterisk, returns the result of raising any value of variable to the power of any value of variable. To explain this, let's say we have a variable of x equal to 2 raised to the power of 4. This is same as saying y equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So let's print both of these variables to our console. So print x and print y. We have 16 and 16 as our result. Now the power operator raises the power of any value of variable assigned to it. In this case, we have 2 raised to the power of 4. Now if we have other examples like 5, let's say a equal to 5 raised to the power of 5, which is same as saying 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That is 5 in 5 places. So let's print A and print B. So let's run our Python code. Now, as you can see, we have 3,125 for both results. Now, 5 raised to the power of 5 is this result, and 5 multiplied by 5 in 5 places is this result. So the power operator raises the value of any value to the power assigned to it. So that's an example of power operator. In the next tutorial, I'm going to cover the assignment operator. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned from it. If you have any comments or question, drop it in the comment section. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.